both of these pieces just remind me of summer and time spent in a happy place. So you all know that I am a rep with Jeulia.com. Any purchases made at Jeulia using my rep code, which is TERRAZ15, will get you 15% off of your order. I do earn a small commission on each sale. Thank you so much for your support. And I have to tell you that I don't just endorse any products. I have been with Jeulia for a really long time. There's a reason for that. I really love their pieces. Each one of their pieces is just so special and so personal. They sent me 2 rings today, summer inspired. Also, they have a YouTube channel. And right now I think they have a summer style contest going on. Again, all of those links below. The first piece I want to show you today is the Jeulia Landscape in Galaxy Round Cut Women's Sterling Silver Band. I chose this because it reminds me of a starry night when you're on vacation. Not a cloud in the sky, all of the twinkling stars. There are 77 round cut stones in this band, featuring the Jeulia white diamond stones, as well as some kind of a sapphire blue. It is made from that sterling silver. It just glistens. So sometimes when you go out and you make memories, you want something to remember the experience. And this just reminds me of when my husband and I had a trip to St. Thomas in the Caribbean. So we all like to carry those memories with us, you know, that perfect vacation where everything falls into place. We don't have a worry in the world and everything is just perfect. This is the Jeulia Sunrise Always Moonstone Rotating Ring. Now look at this. Do you see how it rotates there on its axis? It's a smooth movement. And you don't have to flick it in order for it to move. Any sort of body movement is going to set it off. And so just merely picking up your glass is going to move this rotation here. There's a 1 moonstone on the inside. And the neat thing about this is that it's adjustable. So you don't select a size on this ring. It's basically a one size fits all because it is open. And you can minorly adjust that. Now, this is not a flimsy ring. This is something that's very sturdy, yet slightly bendable, so that it can be customized to whatever finger you want to wear it on. This retails right around $89 before the discount. So you've got a Jeulia white diamond stone, a moonstone in the middle of this dial, and then a gold finish. It's just precious. And I love it because I can wear it on any finger. I wear multiple rings all the time, and sometimes I have to order different sizes in order to fit certain fingers. And this one goes on any finger that I like. So I just absolutely love this little pinwheel action of this moonstone sun motif ring by Jeulia. So please do go out and visit Jeulia.com. All of the links are below. So if you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the site. You can see all of the pieces that I have reviewed from Jeulia over the years. I have quite a collection and I often do giveaways, so be sure to check back. Now, what hair am I wearing? I think a lot of you who follow me may guess. I have this in probably 7 or 8 colors now. This is Tony of Beverly's Chris, finally in pink pearl rooted. All of the links are below for the wig as well. This is the perfect vacation wig. It's energetic. It's short and easy and convenient to wear. It is a true plug and chug wig style that you are going to be comfortable in those hot locations. The warmer weather, the beach, the messier it gets, the more beautiful it looks. It's bold, it has such personality. I adore Chris by Tony of Beverly.